Speak Japanese with a native. On Interaction Video, you'll enjoy your real-life conversation at your level to accelerate your learning. You listen to native speakers' tone and voice because digital voice doesn't help your natural speaking. You learn Japanese mindset behind expressions and how to behave like a native. You understand expressions clearly with my method I developed over my 20 years of teaching experience. You learn by speaking even from an interaction lesson video. It's stimulus and easy to remember, so you'll save time. For example, on Part 1 Lesson 1 Introduction video, you first look at the real-life situation. Listen to new phrases with native's voice. Understand grammar points clearly, including cultural behavior. Then you can talk about yourself. You keep speaking Japanese from an introduction video. There's a downloadable summary too. Of course, you should practice speaking a lot on your own as a rehearsal to be ready before your real conversation with a native. First of all, you look at a certain real-life situation. Then make a sentence by using new expressions from introduction video and say it aloud. Then listen to the answers and check yours. Master Speaking Japanese helps you make your own sentences about your real needs and practice them every single day through question and answer with me, so they become easy to use in a real conversation. On a model conversation video, you listen to a conversation between me and another Japanese teacher, so you can see our natural body language. We mainly use the new expressions from the lesson. It's a good listening comprehension with subtitles. For example, Part 4 Lesson 1 Model Conversation video.
納豆を食べますか？
いいえ、食べません。新井先生は食べますか？
はい、食べます。
On a conversation challenge video, you listen to my questions from the model conversation without subtitles this time, and you'll answer for them with recording. Then you'll ask me the same questions and check your recording with the model conversation video.
納豆を食べますか？はい、食べます。
Also, you'll get my learning support for your steady progress. You are not alone. This course was made by using exactly the same materials as my one-on-one lesson, which cost £7 for 1 hour. However, this course is only £35 per month with unlimited access from any devices. If you're not satisfied, cancel at any time. Leslie said, Master Speaking Japanese is different because it allows you to actually use the language from the beginning. It was the first time in 20 years that I was able to respond with ease. She even said, Master Speaking Japanese is a confidence booster.
I don't want you to give up Japanese. I really want you to feel your potential. So, sign up now and see you on the Master Speaking Japanese course.